There are many misconceptions pertaining to ideas connected with real estate and real estate investing. Many believe that it will be hard to find a home unless you have a large income or the capacity to pay thousands of dollars. These particular myths are not necessarily true, and in reality, if you do your research, you will find that it is precisely the opposite. There are many cases where people have found a home for almost as much as they were paying for rent. If you want to invest in real estate or move into a home, it is simply a matter of finding the right resources and knowing how to take advantage of those resources. One of the places worth considering checking is home auctions or areas where there may be foreclosures. A lot of these homes will be ones where recent owners were not able to pay on their mortgages and were forced out of the property. Because there is no one occupying the home, the bank is placed in a position where they're paying for an unoccupied home. More likely than not, they will not want to keep the home on their books and will be open to negotiating when it comes to getting a potentially good deal. You can browse through various locations and investigate on your own to find potential bargains that may be available. There are several areas that are built around finding cheap properties. Oftentimes, the resources on the web or in real estate magazines are designed to show you the market and will include, from time to time, good prices. By searching in local resources, you will have the ability to compare what is available and see which homes cost less than others due to such things as foreclosures. There are endless resources that are available, and there are also real estate investors who are supplying properties for sale as well. You don't even have to get in your car when looking for a home if that is your desire. You can instead simply search for what is available online and research how your individual taste in homes will fit with your bank account.